Welcome back, unicorns, to another video. In today's video is another YouTube collab, so if you want to see me create this look and hear the theme, stay tuned. So for today's video is for the hashtag womenwhocollab, and every Thursday we do a collab with a different theme. All month long we're going to be doing Valentine themes, and I'm so excited. This is the first one for the week. And before I get started with more information about this, yesterday I didn't get to do the Unicorn Glam Squad collab because I've been very busy. So hopefully I can forget to all the other ones that I'm supposed to do this month. But for Women Who Collab, I picked out the list of themes, and then the ladies picked out their top 4, and then whoever was the most voted got to this week. Got to the month. So this week's theme was heartbroken. This is one I created. So I did a heartbroken over here, tears, and I got inspired by like that scene from Suicide Squad. Well, it wasn't Suicide Squad. I think it was Birds of Prey when her and Joker broke up, and she was wearing that cat hoodie, and I just got that inspiration. And then I did, instead of her heart, I did a broken heart, and then I did like the tears of mascara, and this is what it turned out to be. So let me know what you think. I will link the ladies down below that's in this collab. I don't know how many people are joining in, but I will put their at to their channel and link their video so you can go check them out. And hope y'all do enjoy it. And if y'all haven't got everybody's link yet, click the hashtag womenwhocollab to see recent videos that way. So now let's get on with the makeup I used. So I'm gonna give y'all what I used. I only used 1 or 2 shades out of this palette, but I will show you them. So I did pick out the Conspiracy palette by Jeffree Star X Shane Dawson. I really like this palette. I'll show you the color story of it. So what I used is the first thing I did was my rides here, which is black shade at the inner corner. At the corner shade right here. And I took an angle brush like this one right here. And I put that near my eyelashes and then in my waterline, or not in my waterline, like close to my lower lashes. And then I took my finger and blended it out, and that's what created this blended out effect, because usually that's what happens when you cry, you like blend out your makeup. So that's what I did. And then I went in with the same brush, and I did put like little streaks down my face, some of that shadow. But then I went in with the Wet n Wild face paint in black, which is right here. I dip this wand, mascara wand, in there like a little bit, and then did the tear. So you just lightly tap it on there because that's what usually happens. And I did put some under my under my eye, because mascara does that, and this is what it looks like. The effect, I really like it. It kind of looks like what would happen when your eyes start watering when you have mascara on. So that's what I really like about this, how it looks. So that's how it turned out to be. And then after I got done with that black, I took my pills, which is this shade right here, to kind of set my lid, because I did have a concealer on it. And then I went in a little bit of Just a Theory to the top of that to add a little bit of shimmer, because I wanted to be a little bit shimmery. So that's all the shades I used from this palette. I really like this palette. It's a really good one. I really recommend it. If I can find it, I will link it. Usually it's Macari, because I think they don't make it no more. Then for my inner corner highlight, because I just want a little bit more shimmery, I used the BH Cosmetics Spotlight Highlighter palette. It looks like this. And I used Vivid and Ethereal, which is this reddy color right here. And then this white. I mixed that together and put it in my inner corner under my brow bone. It's a really pretty highlighting palette. I really recommend this. And I used Vivid on my face as my highlighter. I really recommend this palette. It's a really good one. I think they updated their packaging on this, so I think it's like a white package now. But I will link it if I can find it for y'all, or it will be the original packaging, so y'all know. So that's what I used from this palette, this highlighting palette. And then I wanted to put like a little bit of mascara on my lashes, because there might be still a little bit there. I used the Benefit They're Real Magnet mascara. I really like this mascara. I just put a little bit of coats on my top and bottom lashes. I really like that mascara. It's a really good one. Then for my lips, I just want to add a touch of color, so I use the e.l.f. Kiss Lip Balm in red. So this is a tinted lip balm. So you can build it up more, but this is how it looks with like 2 or 3 coats. I just want to do a little bit of tint, kind of like if I did have like a red lipstick on and it kind of smudged and it went away some. And then to set my face, I used the Bare Minerals Original Mineral Veil Setting Spray to set my face. So that's all the makeup I use. I will link it down below. There just links to get there, no affiliates or anything. If you do want to use my affiliate link, there is a section below the list of products. That's the Linktree link. And I also linked my Walmart storefront link down there as well. So if you do want to help support the channel, go shop through those affiliate links. It really would mean the world to me because I'm not monetized yet, and that's how the way I can get some money my way to help support the channel, to get more makeup and all that stuff to review, giveaway prizes, stuff like that. So if you do help out the channel, please use those affiliate links. But if you don't want to use affiliate links, I will link the products so for y'all, so y'all have it. So that's all the makeup I use. Now let's talk about what I'm wearing. So the first thing I'm wearing is these black and red clips to pin back my bangs because just to tie in the Harley Quinn look, even though she wasn't really wearing black and white in the clip of this where I looked, she was wearing like PJs, but that's what I decided to wear. And then I'm wearing this Harley Quinn shirt that I got from Walmart. It came with a beanie as well. I didn't wear that for today, but I just decided to wear this because that's who I got inspired by. I don't have my hair like hers did, but everything else is like her. But that's where my inspiration came from. And if I remember, I will put the picture of her look when she was heartbroken when I did talk about it. Sorry, I have like a piece of hair that's getting on my nerves over here. So, yeah, that's what I'm wearing. If I could find the shirt in this sweatshirt, I will link it, but I got like years back from Walmart. They had like these cute little sets of shirts and baby hats and stuff like that for wintertime, and I still have this shirt and I really like it. It's so cute and comfy, and I just love wearing when I do Harley Quinn theme makeup in the wintertime. So yeah, that's all I'm wearing today. I like to show y'all what I'm wearing, just get y'all inspiration on what to wear with these makeup looks. But you can wear anything you want, like a black, all black. Um, you can do like a red dress, like you got heartbroken on Valentine's Day, anything like that. But this is just a kind of makeup look for heartbroken theme, and I really love how it turned out. But let me know what you think. And I think that's it for today. So if you got this far in the video and you're enjoying it so far, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and comment down below what say if you ever got heartbroken before. Just say if you have or not down below to be shouted in the next video up on my channel. If you want to see me shout in the previous video on my channel, check out the channel checkout section and show this love. There will be YouTubers as well as subscribers down there, so please do check them out and show them some love. And again, of course, if you do want to be a shout out, answer that question. If not, just say you watched the full and you'll also be shouted in the next video also below my channel. So I forgot to mention that I will link the playlist for YouTube collabs just in case you want to watch past these collabs or any other collabs on my channel. You can check out that playlist. It's one of my biggest playlists on my channel. So if you do want to help get my channel monetized, I really recommend you to run that playlist. And this is an open collab. Anyone can join in. All you have to do is DM me over there on Instagram, and I'll add you to the Instagram group because that's where we communicate at and where we send our pictures and links and stuff like that. And if you do want to join in, please do. We like to see some new faces in this collab. And all you have to do when you do post is make sure you tag everybody that's in this collab and their link to their videos and put the hashtag in your title, hashtag womenwhocollab. And what you have to do before the day or the day before, I always do the day before it's due because that's what I like to do. Send your photo, and then you can send your link before then, like before it gets uploaded if you do it unlisted, or you can wait until the day of. I always wait until it's posted, then send my link to the group. And I try to get everybody's link. Some of them forget to send it because they get busy, so I will try to get everybody's link and then just come back to my video to get their links. And make sure you do tag them. We do it that way because we don't really want to create a playlist because a lot of people go in and out of this collab, and we just found it easy just to link everybody. And this is a fun collab. We do any creative makeup for a holiday, a national holiday, or anything we could think of. Like this month is for Valentine's Day themes all month long. I really am excited for this. I love doing Valentine's looks, and this is my first one for the month. So excited. Can't wait to do the other ones I hope y'all are excited as well. And I would have had more if I wasn't really busy, and the snow that happened got me a little bit, a lot of busy, not getting things done. So hopefully I don't miss any of the other ones. And let me know in the comments if you did enjoy me creating this look, if you're going to recreate it. And please, unicorns, if you get inspired by any of my looks from this series, which would be Valentine's looks from this month or any past months, please tag me. I'd like to go check it out and show its love and shout you out and tell me what picture you used or what video you watched. I like to see what y'all inspiration is and what y'all, because some people, their take on it might be a little bit differently, or they just got inspired by me, they did their own twist to it. So I'll let you know. I always link people who I get inspired by because I feel like where credits due. I didn't get inspired by anybody. I know some people have done this look before. I just got inspired by the Harley Quinn scene where she was heartbroken and decided to do my little twist on it, like the heart over here be broken instead of her regular tattoo heart. And I thought it'd be really cute looking, so that's what I created. And I really recommend that effect for the tears if you don't want to do your own, like with mascara. Just do it that way, and then to get the smudge effect, just use your finger and rub it after you applied it. And this is how it turned out. So really like that effect. There's like little hacks for you if you want to do like tear mascara and stuff like that. That's what I recommend. So I think that is it for today. So that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below what you thought of this video. And let me know what you thought of this makeup. If you enjoyed seeing watching me create it. If you enjoyed this collab, let me know all your information down below. I like to read your comments, comment back. If you don't have anything to say for this collab, just say hey. I like to read your comments, so please do share. Don't forget to do that, because some of y'all forget, and I like reading y'all's comments, and they just make my day seeing them. So please do share. And lastly, don't forget to subscribe to our unicorn family. Hit the bell icon to be notified when I upload. And unicorns, I'll always be here, so bye!